How to save a project in AudioMass. First of all, after you finish editing your audio project in AudioMass, you need to save it so you don't lose your work. To do this, look at the top menu and click on File. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Save Draft Locally. This option allows you to save your current project as a draft directly on your device so you can continue working on it later. Then, choose the source for your draft, whether you want to save the whole track, just a selection, or a copy. You will also see a field to enter the file name. Remember to name your project file clearly so you can easily find it later. After that, click on Save to save your project. Now, to open the saved project, go to File again, and from there, select Open Local Drafts. This will list the available saved projects on your device. Choose the one that you have saved and click on Open to load it back into the editor. And that's it. Now you know how to save a project in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.